Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. In today's cooking tutorial, I will be sharing with you on how to make a delicious tomato pasta. So let's get started. So I've got my pan and I've added about 3 tablespoons of butter, and I'm just going to chop up 1 onion and add that into there and cook that for about 3 to 4 minutes until they soften. I've also got another pan and I've started boiling some pasta in there, let's say about 400 grams. I'm then going to add in 1 bell pepper, which I've chopped up into small pieces. I'm going to cook that for about 3 to 4 minutes. I'm going to add in ½ teaspoon of garlic paste. I'm going to add in some smooth tomato pasta sauce into here and give that a good stir. Going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Going to squeeze in some tomato puree. To add in some frozen sweet corn, just so that can nicely cook in there. Pasta has been boiling for 15 minutes, so we're going to drain this. What I've done is I've just placed the lid on top so that sweet corn can cook nicely in there. Drained the pasta and I'm now going to add it into the pasta sauce. Mix that all together. Add ½ teaspoon of black pepper. Add ½ teaspoon of mixed herbs. I'm going to mix that all together and cook that on a low heat. The pasta is now ready, so we're going to get this served into the dish. And what I've done is I've just made a white sauce which I'm going to add into the pasta. You are able to see how I make my white sauce in one of my other pasta recipes. I'm then going to add in mozzarella on the top, and then we're going to bake that in the oven on 180 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now you can see that's cooking nicely in there, so we're about to get this served up. So viewers, I hope you've enjoyed watching my video today. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, like and share, and stay tuned for my upcoming recipes.